Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. We're back in the market. Good morning to our Discord community. I hope you had a good week. Landing in the weekend soon enough. Let's talk about the Nasdaq again. Why is that? Because we're still on the way to the major supply area, as we see in the week interval right here. We already stationed a limit buy order right here, risking 40k in order to make 41k. This is not a dream. It's very much possible. Of course, everybody with his own risk management and calculation. This is not substitution for financial advice. As a disclaimer, I'm always putting it in the videos. You should always consult with your financial advisor. Let's talk about possible position within the day as well. Of course, we're getting into Memorial Weekend. It's going to be a long weekend for us. For those who day trade, take the time, refresh for your energy, for your body with a good energy. Read some literature, take a time, a pause to have a good time. There's more life outside of the screen. I know for those of you who day trade, the dopamine and the feeling that you have to trade and push the button and click, it looks like a very, very long weekend, but still it's a good opportunity to refresh and recharge. Let's talk about what's going on today within the markets, where we can stretch this position. So of course, this is the first position of the day. If you're a swing trader, we're gonna basically risk in 14k in order to make 41k. And why is that? We see how the price slowly is going down to pick up those orders right here in this order block, and then test it and flip and reverse up all the way up here to the major supply. As we said before, when price lands from a major supply to a major demand, it's going to try to achieve the same results and try to achieve to the next major area. And we see this, that the price is basically cross all the minor supplies all the way to the major one. Let's check the day intervals, see what's going on over here. I'm going to cancel the those day and night profiles for us to see, to get a better picture. And this is what we see today. Within the day, we see this candle right here look like a strong fall. Nothing to panic. If you're a swing trader, of course, you're still in the game. You still have let's see, if you started the journey with us from here per se, and you already let's quantize it for a sec. This from the point that we are today all the way to the price point. If you are with us on a one contract, you already stacking on 73k, which is amazing. Of course, it's not easy ride. It's really hard to maximize your position, but as long as you understand the market and you know how to read them up correctly, so you're in a good price point. I mean, this is a very nice chunk of money, of course, for everybody. So those of you who took this position, congratulations, and I hope that you're gonna see the better results when the price hits, God willing, the major area. Let's talk about the 4 hours interval. We see with the 4 hours interval, we see a huge drop, how the price basically exit in a bit this order block right here. We still see pushback from the buyers, means that the candle is still not full. There's 20 minutes for this interval to finish. We just started the day profile 9:30. We're already 9:39 in the AM. Let's go to the 15 minutes interval to check for a possible position. We see how the price is still within our range. We see how the price still within the call it demand pool that was created over here, and we want to understand a bit better what's gonna happen within the day, where the price can land, where it can flip and reverse to take those positions for. So now within the day, we got a couple of positions. We could take also a long position, a short position. Let us understand where can it be landed and where can be flip and reverse. So those are what we're looking at right now. It looks like a lot of data, nothing to panic. We just want to understand within the profiles what's the range that the price will reverse. Well, we see a possible, basically I'm going to mark it for us to, it's going to be a bit more clear. We see all this area right here circled. If I'm accumulating all those profiles, we see how the price reacts when basically the price lands on right here, which is parallel to this day high value, already flipping and reversing upwards. But it doesn't mean that the price cannot reverse down. Why is that? We still got a lot of a field to mark over here, which is parallel to the weekly interval, we see by the week interval that the price can basically reverse from here downwards and either flip and reverse in the high value area or the POC area or the low value area over here, and then basically reverse all the way upwards, continue his journey to the major supply area. So this is how it looks from here. Now we need to understand a bit better where can it flip and reverse and how can we take those risks. So first off, we're not jumping the gun, we're not trying to get into position before we know where the price is heading. Of course, we already landed on the demand pool, and when in the demand pool, we got only one option, either to long position it or do nothing. So right now, those of you stationed in position over here, which is perfect, we see how the price behave. First check, second check, price going up, the day profile is start to be formed, the initial balance start to be formed, and once we understand where the price is going to hit, then we can take a possible position. So we see how the price landed outside of the night profile. It means that the price, the buyers and sellers decided this, the market decided this is a fair price to be traded. So when the initial balance is going to finish, we're going to understand the range of the day. So a possible position would be one of them right here. If we want a short position, we're going to take it from here, low value area, looking on the price to recheck this area and test it again. And if we see that the outcome is still a flip, we're going to take a long position from here. If not, we're going down, where if the price basically breaks this demand pull towards the next demand pull, we basically want to see a correction, which means that the price is going to cross it. We want to see the price recheck it over here and then take a short position towards here to the next demand, which we're basically going to flip and reverse upwards. So this is the scenarios for the day. Of course, for our community members, if you still within the position and you decided to hold it, that's great. And if you're just jumping into the group, of course, it's a free education. I encourage you all, if you're not connected to this group, get into the group. It's a free education. You're gonna learn from traders within the group how to trade, get trading ideas. We're gonna elaborate about this position within the group during the day, like we're doing every day, and reflects the results of those positions we trade in every day, and of course the weekly position that we're in. Want to wish you all guys successful trading, and of course, as always, I'm gonna see you in the next market overview. Enjoy this weekend. Take a break. It's fine. No rush anywhere. Of course, do not rush to trade in this market, which is an infinity market. You can always open a position, close a position in every given moment. Take the one position or a couple position within the day that works for you with the right risk management. I'll see you guys in the next market overview. Have a beautiful weekend.